Are you on the path you want to be? Does your life feel like it's on autopilot? You're not alone. But what if you could change your trajectory in just 21 days?
Introducing the Blueprint to an Extraordinary Life, a 21-day challenge, your roadmap to a life of purpose, joy, and fulfillment. Day 1, setting the foundation, because every extraordinary life is built on solid ground. Day 2, building an attitude of gratitude, transform your perspective, cultivate thankfulness. Day 3, the power of forgiveness, release the chains of the past and embrace freedom. Day 4, embracing meditation, find peace in the chaos, clarity in the silence. Day 5, the journey to self-love, discover the joy of truly appreciating who you are. Day 6, neutralize negativity, learn to turn the volume down on negative noise. Day 7, the magic of visualization, see your dreams in high definition, then watch them come to life. Day 8, stress management, master the art of staying calm and in control. Day 9, identifying your needs, get in tune with what you truly need to thrive. Day 10, your personal growth stage, where are you now, and where do you want to be? Day 11, dreams, goals, and visions, dare to dream big, then chart the course to get there. Day 12, deconstructing fear, face it, dissect it, and step beyond it. Day 13, embracing your core values, what do you stand for? Let's solidify your core. Day 14, crafting your personal value statement, declare your unique place in the world. Day 15, discovering your priorities and gifts, unearth the treasures within you. Day 16, defining your unique success, success is personal. Define yours. Day 17, embracing the joyful ideal you, meet the best version of yourself. Day 18, unveiling the power within you, you're stronger than you think. Day 19, unmasking truths and audit your life, take stock and take charge. Day 20, designing your legacy and powering your vision, what will your story be? Day 21, setting goals and clearing limiting beliefs, break through barriers to your goals. This is more than a course, it's a transformation. And it's just 21 days away. Are you ready to live the life you've always imagined? Join us. The extraordinary is within your grasp.